Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift tutorial, Swift programming logic tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be telling you guys how to use a switch statement in Swift. So a switch statement is pretty basic, but it can also be a little confusing if you don't understand it. So basically, what it is it's kind of like an alternative to just using a bunch of ifs and if-elses. So I can give you guys a quick example. Let's say we had a what kind of example could I use for this? Let me use weather this time. So let's say you had a weather, so let's just create a weather variable, and let's say you got it up here, so get weather, and you get it from database or API, and you create a variable called global weather, and let's just say this is rain. Then you set your local variable to that, so weather is just the same as this, which is rain. And then let's say you wanted to do something based on what the weather was. So let's say if weather is equal to sunny, let's just say print the weather is sunny, if else, why is it not? Oh, oops, it's else if, that's why. Else if the weather is equal to rain, like we have, let's say, why can't I type? Print the weather is rainy, else if the weather is, what other example could I use? Sunny, rainy, let's say cloudy. Weather is equal to cloudy, let's print the weather is cloudy, and else I don't know what the weather is. So let's run this, and this is a very basic if and else if sort of statement. And you know, you can always use this, but in my opinion using switch statements is cleaner and it just makes it simpler. So the weather is rainy, let's say we change it to cloudy, it will just say the weather is cloudy. And let's say snowy, you'll say I don't know what the weather is because it's not any of these. So yeah, let's just leave that as rain. And now let's convert this all into a switch statement. So instead of having an if else statement, we can have a switch statement. Now the way we do that is type switch and then the variable which you want to compare, and we have to have a few cases. So the first case would be rain, actually I'll do sunny first to make it easier. So first case would be sunny, and this is like the first weather sort of thing, and inside of this case let's just print the weather is sunny, and then let's have another case, and this can be rain, and let's print the weather is rainy, and another case which would be cloudy. I cannot type today. And let's just print the weather is cloudy. And finally, for the else statement, what have I done wrong? Oh, oops, I need to put a colon after each one. So just like the else statement, we also need to have a default case, and that's why it's giving me this error. So the default case, and this is just print I've done it wrong, that's why it's not working. So you're not meant to have the brackets to open up. So we just do that, and we have our 3 cases, and it's kind of like in Python where you just have a colon. So yeah, and then the default case, this is like the else statement, and in here we can just type I don't know what the weather is. So if we run this, we should get the exact same results, and yeah. So the reason you would use this over the if else statement is, first of all, this does look a bit nicer, but you can always make this look nicer. And another reason is when you're running this, if you have loads of these, then it can actually pile up in how long it takes. So when we run it, it's kind of instant, but that's because all it's doing is this. But if you had so many, then the switch statement will always be faster, since the computer actually knows it's a switch statement, so it can optimize accordingly. It's something to do with that, but the switch statement is faster because it's specifically made for this kind of operation, whereas if else statements are made for a lot of other sort of things, and they're just a bit slower. So when you're having this kind of situation, always try to use a switch statement rather than if else block. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye!